bless you.
Alright. Happy birthday once again, Ma'am Aurora. At this point in time, Ma'am, let's blow your candle, and of course, we'll also hear from you for your birthday wish. And cake will be handed by Lux here.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming on my birthday celebration. Last year, I didn't celebrate my birthday because I'm so lazy to do anything. Kaya sabi ko, I need a birthday. Just give me a cake. I'm happy with it. Because usually, ever since we moved back here in the Philippines, we have a grand birthday party every year. Ay, nakakapagod pala. Kasi kami pang nagluluto dati. So now, because I have a lot of friends who came over, so because I would like to see all of you on my birthday and have some newfound friends also from the PCCI, so Filipino Chamber of Commerce Industry of Ilocos Norte. So I'm happy to have you guys. Yeah, so that's why I did this birthday party. Usually we just go to a restaurant and eat na. Kasi nakakapagod pala mag-birthday. Oo. So now I did it. And my friends from BPI family, Beshi Fe, Beshi Jane, and Beshi Isang. Basta, Beshi. And our friends